Hi there everyone, welcome. It's Laiza. So we are now on lesson number 2, okay? Now I want you to look at the screen and what letter do you see? Do you know what letter is this? This is the letter B. And what does the letter B make? Or what is the sound does the letter B make? The letter B says B. Can you repeat after me and say B? B. This is the letter B. And what do you see in here? There are two brown bears and they're playing baseball. Again, this is the letter B, and the B sounds like B, B, B. Can you repeat after teacher Laiza and say B? Good job! So that is the letter B. Now, let us trace the letter B at the same time making the letter B sound, and we say B, B, B. Okay, let's try and do it. You see the letter B? I want you to get your colored pencil, or you may just listen to teacher Laiza and trace the letter B at the same time making the B sound. Okay, let's start. So it's B. Okay, just trace it. B, B. Okay, good. Again, another one. B. Trace the letter B and make the B sound. B. B. Again, another one. B. 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 Great job. What is that sound? B. Good. Now, this time you have to do it by yourself, okay? Teacher Laiza will write the letter B and I am going to say the B sound as well. Okay, you may repeat or follow after teacher Laiza, alright? Let's start. B. 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 That's the B sound. Yes, good job you. Now you go get your other worksheet if you have one, or you may just listen to teacher Laiza. We are now on step 2. Okay. So step 2, again, let's review that this is the letter B, and the letter B, makes the B sound. Can you point to the letter B, please? Can you point to the letter B and say B? Again, B. Good job. Now, let's look over here. What do we have here? Do you know what this is? This is where you sleep. It's a bed. Okay, I hope you have your nice bed for you to sleep on. And I want you now to, let's read together the word here, okay? Let's read, repeat after teacher Laiza and do as I say, alright? You can do that? Yes. So it's bed. Again, bed. Again, bed. Bed. Repeat after teacher Laiza. Let's read it one more time. Do it slowly. Bed. It's just like reading like Dory. If you know Dory from the movie Nemo, Dory reads like that. So you have to copy Dory and read like this. Bed. Bed. Okay, good job. Now what we're going to do is we have to color only the B sound. Can you help teacher Laiza? We have to color these pillows. These are pillows and we have to color them. Any color will do. Only the B sound. Is this the B sound? No, teacher. Is this the B sound? No, teacher. Is this the B sound? Yes. So let's trace it or color it. Just fill it up with color or any crayon. Okay. Next, is this the b sound? Yes. So we color it. It's the b. How about this? Is this the b sound? No. How about this one? Is this the b sound? Yes. So color it. Okay, good job. Now let's proceed to the last part of the workbook, a worksheet rather. Let us circle the b sound in each word. Okay, so what is this? This is a book. So under here, let's try to read it. Okay, so b-o-o-k, b-o-o-k, book. Okay, actually this is a prolonged sound o. So we don't say book. So we say book. Okay, book. But since we read like Dory, we have to say book, book. And now let's circle the letter B in the word. Okay, I think this is the letter B, so let's circle it because that's the b sound. Okay, next let us do this one. Okay, the one with the bear. Okay, you see the bear? Oh, hold on. Alright, so this is a bear. And let's try to read the word over here. Bear. 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 Okay, good. Now the instruction is we have to circle only the b sound. Can you help me? Where is the b sound? The b sound looks like this, the letter B. Can you point it? Is it this one? Yes, so circle that one because it's the b sound. B, b, b. Good job. Now let's proceed to our next activity. Okay, so we are now on step number 4, which is reading like Dory. But this time there will be no pictures, just words. If you remember, do you remember what sound is this? This is from lesson 1. I hope you know this. This is the letter A, and the letter A says ah. Again, the letter A says ah. Now let's read like Dory. Again, we have to read like Dory. Okay, so let's start. Repeat after teacher Laiza. Alright, so it's ah, b, ah, b, ab. Okay, how do we read that? Can you do that after teacher Laiza? Again, ab, ab. Okay, it's and b. Reading like Dory, we say ab, ab. Good job, that's ab. Now let's go to another word. Okay, next, point. You have to point. If you're doing this on the paper, you have to point. But since you're watching the video, you may just listen or point with your finger. Okay? So, it's b, a, t, b, at, bat. Again, one more time. B, a, t. Oopsie, sorry. Bat. Bat. Okay, it's a bat. Do you know what's a bat? A bat can be for aim, or the bat that says up, flying up in the sky when it's dark. Okay, now let's proceed to the other word. This is just review of the a sound and more words that has the b sound. Okay, are you ready? Again, let's continue. A, b. Again. A, b. Cat. Good. Now read like Dory. Cab. 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 Good job. Now you need to read like Dory, okay? You have to read like Dory, then after read it fast, okay? Next word will be T. Point under the sound, point under the letter or the sound that I'm going to do as well. When you're reading, you have to point. T. Ab. Again. T. A. Ab. Again. T. Ab. How do you read that? Tab. Again. Good job. Great job, brother. And the last word will be, we still have 2 more words. So point with your finger again. B-A-M. Again. B-A-M. Bam. Okay, can you do that? B-A-M. Bam. Sorry. Bam. Okay, good. Next one, I think this is the last word. B. Point again with your finger when you're doing this on the piece of paper, or listen to teacher Laiza first, then you do it afterwards, okay? B. S. Again. B. S. Bus. Okay, again. B. S. Bus. Great job. So now I want you to read the words that you learned today, most especially the A sound, which is a review of lesson 1, and the lesson 2, which is the B sound. Okay, so again, I want you to do this again every now and then during this week, so that we will be ready to proceed with lesson number 3. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for listening. I will see you